Welcome to Global Nexus. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. In the early 2020s, the US launched a campaign to reduce reliance on China, especially in advanced technology. This move was driven by growing concerns over national security and economic independence. Washington's export controls on semiconductors signaled a new era, technological decoupling. These measures were aimed at curbing China's rapid advancements in critical tech sectors. Germany, long intertwined with China's economy, began blocking Chinese investments and restricting tech exports, especially in critical infrastructure like high-speed rail. This marked a significant shift in their economic policies. Japan, recalling past supply shocks, joined in, banning Huawei and imposing its own export controls on sensitive equipment. The memory of previous disruptions fueled their decision. The West's strategy was clear: cut off China from the high-precision components and advanced systems needed for its high-speed rail ambitions. This was a coordinated effort to limit China's technological growth. The assumption that China, still dependent on foreign innovation, would be forced to slow down. The belief was that without access to Western technology, progress would be hindered. By restricting access to key bearings, control systems, and specialized alloys, the West aimed to create significant bottlenecks in China's supply chain. The US and its allies aimed to cap China's progress. They believed that these restrictions would slow down China's ambitious rail projects. This was strategic containment, applied to engineering. It was a calculated move to maintain a technological edge over China. The bet: without Western technology, China's dream of rail dominance would stall. The West was confident that their strategy would work. But the world was about to be surprised. China had its own plans and innovations ready to unveil. As barriers rose, Western media scoffed at China's ambitions. Analysts dismissed China as a copycat, reliant on tech transfers and foreign components. Every setback was mocked as proof that true innovation belonged to Germany and Japan. The embargo was meant to force China to accept limits or negotiate for access. But inside China, the pressure sparked a surge of determination. The government poured resources into a national innovation drive, demanding not just replacement, but superiority. Engineers and scientists were mobilized to outdo the West. The world saw only the old China, but inside labs and factories, a silent revolution was underway. Skepticism from abroad became fuel for a new sense of purpose. China was racing against the clock and the world's low expectations. In early 2025, China shattered expectations, sending shockwaves through the world of high-speed rail. On a secluded test track, the CR-450 Fuxing train hit a jaw-dropping 452 km/h, an unprecedented feat that stunned engineers and rail enthusiasts alike. Designed for regular service at 400 km/h, captured Beijing. The CR-450 instantly became the world's fastest conventional high-speed train, setting a new benchmark for what's possible in rail travel. For context, Japan's iconic Shinkansen and France's legendary TGV, long considered the gold standards, operate at 300 to 320 km/h, far below the CR-450's capabilities. China had leapfrogged the old leaders, not just joining the exclusive club of high-speed rail innovators, but decisively taking the crown and rewriting the rules of the game. The CR-450's debut silenced years of Western mockery and skepticism, turning doubters into awestruck spectators. It was a bold answer to embargoes and restrictions. China could now invent, design, and build at the highest level, relying on its own talent and resources. The unveiling marked a turning point, proof of self-reliance, national pride, and a new global order in rail technology, with China at the helm. The rejuvenation name was no accident. It signaled China's return to the forefront of science and engineering, a renaissance of innovation and ambition. The world watched in astonishment as China's doubters were left behind, witnessing a new chapter in technological achievement unfold before their eyes. The dragon hadn't been contained. It had soared, breaking free from limitations and inspiring a generation. A new era in rail had begun, promising faster, greener, and more connected journeys for the world. The CR-450's breakthrough wasn't just speed, it was homegrown technology. At its core, a domestically developed permanent magnet synchronous motor, cooled by advanced water systems, delivering more power and over 3% higher efficiency than previous models. Over 4,000 sensors monitor every aspect of the train, enabling predictive maintenance and setting new safety standards. Engineers used new lightweight composites and aluminum alloys, redesigning the train to be lighter and stronger. A cutting-edge battery array powers onboard systems, ensuring resilience even during disruptions. Every element, from propulsion to materials, was designed and built in China. The CR450 is not just faster, it's smarter, safer, and more efficient than its rivals. It's a showcase of China's ability to innovate from the ground up. While the CR450 grabbed headlines, China was also transforming city transit. In Wuhan, the Optics Valley Skyrail, a sleek driverless suspended monorail, opened in 2023, blending futuristic design with practical urban mobility. Unlike historic systems in Germany or Japan, China's approach is rapid, high-tech, and scalable. Chengdu's SkyTrain, powered by lithium batteries, offers a low-cost, low-footprint solution for sprawling cities. Competing projects signal a vibrant R&D ecosystem, with new ideas tested and refined nationwide. China's dual focus, record-breaking intercity trains and advanced urban transit, shows the breadth of its ambition. It's not just about speed, it's about building a comprehensive modern transportation network. China is solving mobility challenges at every scale, from megacities to entire regions. The CR450 isn't a prototype, it's about to reshape daily life. Production models will roll out by late 2025, first serving the vital Beijing-Shanghai corridor. Travel time will drop from 4.5 hours to just 2.5, turning a half-day trip into a quick commute. High-speed rail will outcompete domestic flights, transforming business and tourism. Next up, a new Chengdu-Chongqing line, opening in 2027, cutting travel to under 50 minutes. These routes are just the start. The CR450 will become the backbone of China's vast rail network. Faster trains will redefine distance and time for 1.4 billion people. What once took a day will soon take hours. This is more than transport, it's a reimagining of China's geography and economic life. The CR450's success is more than a technical feat. It's a geopolitical shift that's sending ripples across the world. This train isn't just about speed, it's a symbol of China's growing ambition and its ability to challenge the established order in global technology. For China, the CR450 is proof of technological sovereignty and a source of immense national pride. It demonstrates that China can innovate at the highest level, relying on its own expertise and resources, and no longer needs to depend on foreign technology. For rivals like Japan and Germany, it's a wake-up call. Efforts to contain China's progress have backfired, pushing China to not only catch up, but to surpass them in high-speed rail technology. Now, industry giants like Siemens and Hitachi face a new reality, a Chinese rail sector that's not only cheaper, but also more advanced and rapidly expanding its reach. China is poised to become the world's top exporter of high-speed rail, offering complete turnkey packages to developing nations, often at prices and speeds competitors can't match. The Belt and Road Initiative will now feature the world's fastest trains, further boosting China's global influence and connecting continents in ways never seen before. The CR450's story is a lesson for the world. Technological leadership can shift quickly, and determined nations can rewrite the rules of the game, no matter how established the competition. The global balance of innovation has changed, and the race for the future of transportation is more open than ever before. The future of trains is being forged in China's labs and factories, where thousands of engineers and workers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As the CR450 streaks across the landscape, it carries a powerful message to the world. A new technological superpower has arrived, and it's moving faster than ever before.